think everyone is hype about this fat water because of the name, first of all. Like, fat water, I mean, come on. Who doesn't want to say they're putting fat water on their face? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jami. Alyssa. I am super excited because I'm going to be doing a review of, drumroll, Fenty Skin. Yes, y'all, I got myself Fenty'd up and I'm real hyped to be doing this because who doesn't love Fenty products? Who doesn't love Rihanna? And who doesn't love skin products? I got the package yesterday. I ordered this when the early release happened. I think maybe that was Wednesday at midnight or Thursday at midnight. But either way, when the midnight drop happened, I was definitely on my laptop, on the site, ready to order. So let's just get into this unboxing, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I already kind of opened the box a little bit, but I didn't try anything yet. I just opened the box. When you first open it, you're gonna see this whole graffiti looking thing, and I feel like this is typical for Fenty products. I think that's how Fenty beauty stuff looks too, so nothing new here. And then it just has a bunch of paper right here. So if we open up the paper, ooh, so then we see this. So we have the cleanser, the fat water, and the SPF Moisturizer. Before I jump into these products, just a little bit about my skin and my skincare routine. So first and foremost, I don't have a skincare routine. The toner, the cleanser, the moisturizer, the this, the that, the whatever it is. Frankly, I don't even know what half of those things are and what half of them do. So I'm definitely not someone who is well versed when it comes to skincare. I've been using this Visor cleansing pore cleanser, and I really like this because it gives you a nice tingling sensation, and I'm someone, if I'm gonna use a product, I need to feel like it's doing something. Even if it's not doing jack crap. The tingling sensation makes me think it's doing a whole lot. So I have no complaints with the cleanser whatsoever, but I'm sure Fenty Skin is gonna make me kind of put it to the side because, you know, there's a new cool kid in school. In terms of moisturizer, I just use the basic Pond's Dry Skin Cream. And this, you know, this has held me down for years. I'm not even gonna front. Pond's, you know, I love you, baby, I really do, but I haven't really mastered and figured out what my skin really is. It might be combination skin. With allergies and everything, my skin has been really dry. So the Dry Skin Cream does a fairly decent job at moisturizing my skin, but not a great job. I'm hopeful that this Hydra Visor is gonna be the moisturizer that I've been looking for my whole life. Okay, so let's just get into the price points and all those little details about the products before we try them. The cleanser now is $25, and it is supposed to kind of be a makeup remover. It's supposed to be able to remove literally everything on your face. So this is the product that I'm really excited for because, first of all, as you can see, I'm wearing makeup, and I wanted to make sure I wore makeup in this video to see if this really actually will get rid of my makeup. You're supposed to use this day and night, so twice a day. Wash your face, remove any dirt, excess oils, whatever the case may be. The beautiful fat water. Now, I think everyone is hype about this fat water because of the name, first of all. Like, fat water, I mean, come on. Who doesn't want to say they're putting fat water on their face? It just sounds cool, and it's just different, real different. I'm just reading the back, what it says on the back. So it says it instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, evens skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. So already, I can't wait to try this. I definitely want something that's gonna kind of refine my pores and not make them look so big and noticeable. And also, it says that it helps to fight hyperpigmentation and fix that. I do have a few dark spots. Most recently, I had this disgusting pimple on my nose that left a huge dark spot, and you could probably see it because I didn't really try to cover it up that well with my makeup. But it did leave a dark spot, so it's something I'm trying to get rid of. And then finally, we have the Hydra Visor, which serves as a moisturizer. Use every single day, no excuse. All right, Rihanna, I heard you. I will listen to you. Automatically, when you open it, it has this kind of refill tube, and then it has the actual product itself. Pretty basic. You just drop it in. Super cool. Without further ado, let me go ahead and start trying out the products. What I'm gonna do is do everything on camera, but I'm gonna go to my bathroom and actually rinse things off. So I'll lather up in front of y'all, but then I'm gonna step away and I'm gonna come back when everything's done and we could talk about what I liked and what I didn't like. Let's start off with the Total Cleanser. I don't know if I just put too much in my hand. I might have, but I really want my makeup off my face. So it does say to wet your face before you put this on, and since I'm not in the bathroom, I'm gonna be a little creative and put some water from my water bottle in my hand. I'm gonna mix it in with the product, lather it all up. Ooh. You guys. It smells really good. It's like a very light fragrance. So here I'm just lathering it all in, rubbing the cleanser into my face. You can see all my makeup coming off because it is so brown. So that's all the foundation coming right off. And it was kind of drying up around here, so I probably needed a little bit more water, but it was what it was. Okay guys, so I am back from rinsing off my face, and I did a little bit of a napkin check after I was done to see if I still had makeup on, and I do still have like a little bit of foundation on. So I would recommend with this to wash your face twice and not once, or maybe use more product the first time. I'm not really sure. I did lather up when I washed my face in the bathroom. I think one more wash of this will definitely get me 100% right. So I'm just wetting my face. The product, another squirt. So this time around I had a lot more water on my face, so as you can see it was really picking up the cleanser big time, and you can see also it's not so brown like it was before, so definitely all the foundation and stuff came off and it just kept getting in my hair. I'll be back again. I'm gonna rinse this off and I will come holla at y'all in a second. I'm done washing my face a second time. It feels super smooth. You can see literally everything is gone. My eyebrows are gone, my foundation's gone, my concealer is gone. You can see this dark spot that I was talking about. You can see the bags under my eyes. Y'all, you can see everything. This is real, this is me, and I'm giving y'all the real me right here on this camera. I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see my face post-wash. It looks really smooth and it feels amazing. I'm not even gassing it, y'all. It feels so good. Right here is like something that has to do with my allergies from me like rubbing my eye, so that's really irritating, but I don't think Fenty Skin can help me with that. That's just a whole allergy thing. So step 2, what I've been waiting for, is the fat water. I'm not sure how much of this you're supposed to use, but I put maybe less than, a little smaller than a quarter. Maybe that's too much. For the fat water, it says to rub into your face with your fingers, so that's exactly what I'm doing. I do think I put a little too much, so it was a lot for me to rub in, but I'm trying my best to just get it in. Okay, so yeah, that feels really good actually. And how did that smell? Doesn't really smell like much, to be honest. My face feels a little sticky. Finally, the last step is the SPF Moisturizer. Just gonna rub it. Now y'all, this smells fantastic. When I tell y'all I didn't think I was ever gonna be done rubbing this in, it took me forever. Is it all the way in yet? Alright, I think this is as in as it's gonna get. And y'all, don't roast me for my eyebrows because I know they look crazy. Trust me, I do. I don't know what's going on with them. Woo! I feel like my skin is glowing now that I put this on. It definitely feels very moisturized. It feels so good. You guys, I definitely feel really good. Oh my god, my skin feels really great. I feel super moisturized, super clean. I feel great. Now we are done, you guys, and I will say I'm a fan. I mean, it's only been what, like 10 minutes since I put everything on, so I really can't speak too much, but I love the smell of everything. I love the packaging of everything. I love the whole pink theme. It's really cute. Everything feels really light and good on my skin, and it just feels great. It feels really moisturized. Way better than this Pond's, okay? The one thing I really love about this line that I forgot to mention earlier is that it is unisex. So anyone can use these products. It's not catered to women, you know, it's not just a woman thing. That's really awesome because a lot of men don't think that they need to take care of their skin. But honey, y'all need to take care of your skin because don't nobody want to be up around you and your skin is dry, your face is dry, you're not even trying to take care of your skin whatsoever. Ew, no, that's not a good look. And we find skincare sexy. It's attractive if you take care of yourself in as many ways as you can, and let skincare be at the top of that list, fellas. So definitely go out and get some Fenty skin. Nobody will clown you because, again, it's your skin and it's important. Rihanna, you have done it again. I'm really excited to see how my skin looks in about 2 weeks. So maybe I'll do a 2-week review and let you guys know how I'm liking the products actually. If you want to check out these products, they are live now for everyone. So I will leave the link in the description below. So just remember, you're looking to spend anywhere between $70 to $80 something if you do buy all 3 products at the same time. So make sure you are able to fit that into your budget, because I know it's not the cheapest skincare on the block, but it feels like it could be worth the buck. Feels like it. I brought my dog for the end of the video. Oh, he seems to like the products too. He's licking my face. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Me and Noah will holla at you guys later. Alright, bye.